back again with the tutorial Lela O Lela, so just watch it. So guys, steps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let me teach you now. So here your left comes towards your right like this and your left leg goes towards the left. So it's completely opposite and your right hand is on your waist. So 1. So you need to do a little wave and you need to bend towards your left. Okay. So opposite. So 1, 2. On 2 your left comes forward. Left leg comes forward and your left hand goes at the back of your head. So 1, 2, 3. On 3 right here. And on 4 you have to give hip hit. I taught you previous tutorials also. So it is hip hit. To make it attractive, you can bend your knees and give this hip from right to left. So 4. After that, another 4 counts. 1. So as if that you're pushing something. So you're going back through your left leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no rule that which leg you should go, which should go forward and which leg should go back. So you can do whatever as per your convenience. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just that you need to go back. On 4 again you have to give hip hit like this. And after that 1, 2, 3, 4 another 4 counts. So here you just need to say stop. Your right hand comes at the back of your head. 1, 2. On 2 there is 1 turn. Okay. 2, 3. So it's just as if that you take turn like this. As simple as that. So don't get confused. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your both the hands come here. Okay. So left comes here and join your right hand. 4 and here on 4. After 4 you need to do hit, hit, hit to your chest and your left leg little up. So 1, 2, 3. On 4 your right comes here. Little your left is little bent and both hands come up. Make like just like a bird. Up, down and 4. So let me recap for you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So guys, you must be confused on when we need to start this whole step. So I told you previously that when music really picks up, there is a beat dum 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 dum, and after that music really picks up and then you need to do all these steps. And I'm really sorry that we cannot play music behind because there is a copyright issue. So for that you must see the final performance video to have an idea, exact idea what exactly I'm doing and teaching. So our last position is this. After that, all the counts before actual lyrics I have divided in 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there is a music da 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 da, something like that. So here da da da, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, I hope you have an idea now. So after this da da da. This is 3 counts. So, da da da. So you just need to open your hands. Your right is here. Da da da. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you need to move your shoulders. This is called shimmy. I taught you previous tutorial. You must have seen this shimmy. Okay. How you can do it? If you can't do it, you just have to practice like moving your shoulders right to left, left to right, and it is also good for exercise. Okay. So da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just need to step, 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 step. Moving from front to your right. Okay, you can also move from right to left as per your convenience. So, da da da, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need to take turn again to front as if that you're removing something from your shoulder. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's very simple. 1, 2, 3. Now you need to move your waist and just crush something through your feet like this. Move your waist. Okay. We generally do it in some disc or when we do party. So we do this step. Okay. It is very easy. You just need to stand on your toe, crush something through your toes. So here the same step. However, your hands like this. You need to remove something through your shoulders twice. 1, 2, 3. Now here on 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very simple. You just set and you getting up. That's it. So 1, 2, 3. 1. Look up. Both the hands up. 1, 2, 3. On 3 you set. 4, 5. You have to get up. However, you need to little move your hips up. Okay. So you need to get up through your hips. They should be out so that it will look more attractive. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now you need to touch your face and your chest, and you need to move your hand towards down. So here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How would you do? I taught you right leg or any leg that you using, and like when you taking round, one should be stick, any foot, okay, whether it's this side or this side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you doing? You just moving your waist slightly, okay. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just one turn. And then after 1, 2, 3. So again, your profile, left is up, it's fist, left, right is up on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this step you can do any which way you want to. It's just you need to give hit. You need to feel the beat and you just need to go with the music. So hit, 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 hit. So it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let me recap for you, and I forgot one thing in between. Let me tell you now. When we are doing this, see the counts. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I forgot I completed in 4, but here you need to go in 3, 4, 5. So it's nothing. It's just right is little open, and you just need to open your fingers and you need to throw, okay, and hit and hit. So now let me start for you once again to remove all the confusion. So it is after this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And guys, please watch the final performance to follow all these steps that I taught you right now. Okay, so after this, the main lyric starts Laila mein Laila. Now it will be really convenient for us to know and understand what we actually learning and doing. So after this, Laila mein Laila. So I sing very well. Anyways, after this, Laila mein Laila. So here, Laila mein. Okay. So your right comes here, right hand comes here on your shoulder, and left comes here. So it's Laila mein. Okay, Laila mein, Laila. Here, left leg is forward, and you need to move your waist like this. So it's just a circle that you need to make through your waist. Okay, round and round. So Laila mein, Laila. Your hands going through your cheeks towards here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can, make expressions Laila and little smiles that will look more good. So Laila mein Laila. Okay. So tap, roll, tap, roll, tap, roll, tap. Okay. Kaisi hu Laila. So your left is already forward. Kaisi. It will go little diagonal left. Kaisi. Cross leg. Who? Okay. What I did, my leg was already here, my left one, and I did कैसी, so both hands left and right, हूँ. Okay, so I cross my leg and my left again comes here at its place. कैसी हूँ, look, हूँ, and hit. Okay, so this is more like, you are just attracting people that, you're so beautiful or something like that. So, कैसी हूँ, you have to do this. Once again, लैला में, ले, ला, कैसी हूँ, ले, ला, and turn. Okay, so after hit, turn, and there is a beat where she's not singing, but there is one beat where you need to start 1, 2. Let me show you in front. It's little bend. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 times you need to do, taking turn to your back. Okay. So 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you moving your knees down and up, and you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know this is the kind of exercise that you probably must have seen and you do. I hope so. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to do from our back. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take turn from back to front. And then we start with another lyrics. So let me show you the step once again. Turn, one beat. हर कोई चाहे मुझसे, turn, मिलना अकेला, मिलना, it is just left, right, your waist moving and your knees are bending and your hands just touching yourself, that's it. So मुझसे, मिलना, it's just opposite, मिलना अकेला. So here you move your shoulder and chest once, slow, and twice little fast. Now let me recap for you. Once again, Laila mein Laila. Fast, okay? Because it is too fast. It's going to be Laila mein Laila. I forgot the lyrics. And then after, हर कोई चाहे मुझसे, मिलना अकेला, tuck, tuck, twice. And turn, point here, up, and again turn here. And if you don't want to do that, you can simply do this. So I want you to put your own variations and things because I hope that you're dancing really well now. Moving towards next step. So you took turn like this and turn. Now, Laila mein. So when you take this turn from your back to front, Laila mein finishes. Okay? So, Laila mein. La. Now here, as if that you're wiping something, your window maybe, if you have ever done that. So, la mein. Okay? So here, just see the hand movements. 1, 2, 3. Out, in. Okay? And left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's very quick. Okay? If you don't want to move, it's fine. You just can do this. Okay? So la mein, la, tuck. So there is a music, there is a beat. Tuck, kaisi. Okay, here cross, and you can do in front. I have done little diagonal. So you can do cross and hit. Open, close. Open, close. So kaisi hu. 1, 2 steps back. So you are diagonal, but if you're front, you can go back like this and bend your knees. 1, 2, kaisi hu, la, and just thrice. Okay, it's 1 and 2. So left, come back, right, come back, left, come back. Okay, so just as if that you just keeping something aside, or you just want something is here and you just want to just go, So 1, 2, 3, only 3 tries, and you need to bend. How you need to bend? Open your legs and bend. हर कोई चाहे मुझसे. Okay? It's very simple. कैसे हूँ ला हर कोई चाहे. You just need to go left, right, मुझसे. Okay? So हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना. I taught you how you need to get up in previous steps. मिलना. So मिल, right is little bend. मिलना. So left, right, अकेला. Okay? काला चश्मा, the same one. So here, मिलना, अकेला. Bend stomach out and go like this. Okay? As if it sounds really heavy thing is here on your stomach and you can't really take the weight. You're moving or you're probably bending and you're walking like this. This is the same step. Okay? So, अकेला. And one more time. There is a beat. You need to finish that beat so you can repeat the same thing. 1, 2, 3. So this is the last step, and after that, जिसको भी देखूं, aha. So after this, जिसको भी, right, comes here as if that you're watching. जिसको भी, point out in front. Now देखूं. So you know, in choreography or whenever you dance, always make sure what is the music in the background. Because we dance on music, we dance on beats, we dance on lyrics, and we also dance on background to music. Okay, there is one music that always goes with the song, and there is background beats there are that we need to really follow, and if we do, it will really look good. It makes impact. So here when you do जिसको भी देखूं, so there is dum 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 dum, some music is there. So on that particular music you need to move your waist. Okay, जिसको भी देखूं, you can roll your finger also. देखूं, aha. So how you need to move your waist like this. Okay, so what you're doing, you're moving your waist and you're going little down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So move your knee basically. जिसको भी देखूं, aha. On aha you need to hop towards your right and you need to roll your head. It's all your convenience that you want to roll your head from left to right to left or left to right. Okay, better would be you roll your head towards here only when you going actually. So जिसको भी देखूं, aha. दुनिया, here दुनिया. Open your palms, right, left. भुला दूं. Okay, again you're going to left and you're bending down to your knee. भुला दूं, aha. Roll your head and hop. Majnoo, Majnoo. I'm sorry, I'm very bad at lyrics. Majnoo, you need to take a wave. Majnoo, and your both hands here on your waist. Bana do, aha. Kick and turn. See in front. If you're turning back, so you need to look in front to your audience. See mein. La. Again you need to move your waist going down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to see in front. Olela, he says. Olela, you need to do this. Okay, this is your right leg up and your left hand is here. Grab your hair and show a little sexy move. So let me quickly recap for you. जिसको भी देखूं, आहा. दुनिया भुला दूं, आहा. मजनू बना दूं, आहा. ऐसी मैं लैला, ओ लैला. This is the one. So after this, the same music comes. Same music. So I've divided 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Though I can sing for you guys. So let's see the steps first. After this, you take turn in 1, 2, 3 counts. So here, after this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you don't want to move, but if you want to make it little energetic, then you need to move. Left cross, left back, right back. And you're moving, tap, 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 tap. So your hands are moving like bird. So 1, 2, bend. Yeah, you need to bend also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5 you are at your place. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to open legs, open legs, open legs, and 4, 5 you need to get up. So here, just see first hand movements. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going from your thighs, stomach, and face, and up, and come back here. And how you need to sit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this step, when you merge hand movements in step, it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically it's hit, hit, hit. How would you hit? Lose your foot little, so you do not really, slip it, and stand on your toe to your left. 1, 2, 3, 1. So beat and crush. Beat, crush, beat, crush, hit, hit. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And after that, again you need to sit like this because you're ending this particular video. So here, right comes here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me recap for you this whole music. So you take da 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 da 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 da 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, that was very small and quick choreography from my side on Laila or Laila. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. And I know that many people comment and complain that there is no music, and I understand because we don't own that copyright, so we cannot really play. But yes, I have a performance ready with me, and you can anytime watch and you can relate or the choreography that I taught you right now with the song. I'm sure you're gonna learn. You will be able to learn from it, and you're gonna be an awesome dancer. And that's it from my side. This is Aditi signing off. Love you guys.